why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, we're walking down Lover's Lane, so what we're going to be doing is kind of going through it and navigating. There's Opera House, and we did another video where we walked that bridge to the Opera House, or well, vice versa, the other way. But this time we're going to walk down the waterway, and we have all these tall buildings right over here, so it is an urban area of Zhuhai. So people that live here can overlook the ocean and have views. So we're going to take a look down this beach right here. So and we'll see if it's a beach or a marina or what it is. So stay tuned. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go with me. Okay, so we're gonna walk through between these two massive trees. And then in the distance you can see the Opera House. Kind of cool. So we're gonna be walking down that way and just kind of seeing what we can see down that way. See down that direction. Way down there is Tangjia, so I'm kind of curious about that. Some rental bikes that you can rent. You can also get watermelons there. So that's kind of refreshing. And there's some of the urban beach. All those tall apartments everywhere. And then over here, actually there's two roads. There's this road right here, it goes to the temple slash opera house because I took it. And then I guess this one just goes to the island only, and you can walk around the island, which looks like a very popular walk. It's one I would like to do, but maybe in the evening sometime instead. Okay, there's the opera house. So I did film that before, but we're gonna be I never walked past this. So there's a bunch of cars parked, it looks like, and then looks like they go across the bridge actually. But we're gonna get past them. So let me turn the camera off briefly. Okay, so we're walking down, still walking down this urban area that you can see lots more apartments and all kinds of stuff. More of these bridges, because the bridges are connect to, there's a couple ways that these roads can come in through here to get to that island. I think they go to the island, but they definitely go to the opera house. And there's also a little port in there too. So, and right in this spot, it looks like people are, you know, just, I don't know, you can kind of see them like, anyways, we're gonna get past this bridge and then we'll see if it changes a little bit down there. I think it does. Let's go down there and see. Ecological belt, I'm not sure exactly what that means, but that might be interesting. Kind of wonder what that says. But yeah, we still have the urban beach there. And actually this space behind us is, let me just see what that is, I'm so curious now. But that space over there, oh, it's all written in Chinese. So I guess that's for, I don't know if there's tourists that would see it. I guess from the main road, maybe they see it. Or if they're in these apartments. Those look like apartments there too. Is there a hotel around here? That, if there's a mountaintop, maybe that would, I wonder who's viewing that. I guess maybe on the road if they're passing by. But anyways, yeah, that's the Opera House straight that way, and then it looks like this whole stretch right here. I saw somebody jogging on the other road that's, and also like walking. So I think that we have kind of I guess they call it ecological park. So I think that there's a beach over on that side, but so far on this side it's like mostly these rocks. And then yeah, you can see somebody with a pink umbrella right there, so it looks like they can walk up and down that street as well. Oh, the kids are playing on that red thing now. It does look like kind of a naturally nice slide. Okay, so let's go further down. Those two look like kind of cool apartments though. You have these nice balconies, kind of really overlook the water. Okay, that looks like a good place just to walk your dog. Kind of a marina thing over in the distance there. So, okay. So at least you're kind of getting a little bit of a slice of Zhuhai. Here's another little thing that says ecological belt. So I guess that's, maybe they want to keep it like this, like a park. I don't know. Anyways, let's get past that road and see if it opens up to a beach. There's a boat siren in there. So yeah, there's lots of boats over by the Opera House and also over another area by that temple. And we're kind of moving down a little bit further. That goes into the urban city again. And then we have a Suijiang Road. And then this road, cars can actually go up and down that road. Then they can kind of get on that bridge thing that's out there just a little bit. So if you look on a map, you'll see like this little road thing that's out there, and that's that. And it looks like we still have more of this kind of rocky thing. So so yeah, it's kind of giving me an idea of what this looks like. So it looks like people that, and they live in these areas over here, these apartments, they'd have access to maybe this green grass here, and they could relax and they could walk along this waterfront. But they wouldn't have the beach in this location. But the beach is way down that way. I walked it, so it's not that far. I mean, it's walkable, I mean. And I think that on the other side of this, there's another beach too. So we'll see. But anyways, it kind of gives you an idea. Okay, we're still filming it, and you're probably wondering like, what exactly am I filming? A lot of times for me, like I'll look at Google Maps and I try to get a feel for areas. And when I try to get a feel for stuff in China and Google Maps, it's really difficult because there's not really on Google Maps for one. So the idea for me is this, you know, people want to know exactly, you know, they see the Opera House, they want to know what's on the ocean, if it's all beach or not. And I can say that there's a lot of beaches, but it's not all beach. So this whole stretch is not beach, but I can see in the distance that it is. So this kind of gives you an idea, you know, what exactly is here and what's not. So, but it won't be long, and then we're going to be at that northern beach itself. So stay tuned for that. Hello. It's kind of a cool image. Just to give you some perspective. So yeah, still all the urban, those are those beaches, those ones that we look straight up at, and we got a new set here. Still lots of grass, more bikers, so it's kind of a bike lane that we're in. But that lane, when I walk in that, it's all jaded, so it's not really that good for walking. It looks like this walks into like a little bit of a port or something like that, and I see more cars lined up. But we might just end this video and just call this one the north of the Opera House. And then, but we're gonna end it up by the beach so you can see what that looks like. Here's a different kind of lantern set than the other one I was highlighting. So, okay, let's go up there and get to that beach area. Okay, so this kind of marks it. So this is, don't know what that is exactly, but it looks like a little bit of a harbor port thing. There's the Opera House, temple, and then all the way down, we started walking, the video before that was a whole beach area. Hello. Camera died, it's okay. And then, so yeah, this little waterway looks like it kind of separates it, and then that's all that with the Opera House. And then it looks like this is where this beach is at. So, so it looks like there's maybe a little bit of a tide thing going on right there. So what we're gonna end up doing is coming to an end for this one. Another guy fishing right there. Lots of kids playing way down there. And then down here you have the whole beach. And then you also have that urban area down that way as well. So let's walk towards the towards this beach, and you kind of get an idea. Lots of kids still on their bikes and things like that. And then this is a whole guy selling all this stuff for kids. So it looks like this is also more kids here too. So yeah, and this is also called Lover's Lane too. So the whole thing, yeah, all beach right here. So okay, so I guess we'll end it there.
Don't you show